Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching us how to make our own nail dissolver. Everybody has their own special way of doing it, but this is what has been working for me over the years, and I decided to bring it up so that I can teach a lot of people how to make their own nail dissolver. And I want to welcome you to this family. If you have not subscribed, please smash the subscribe button and like the video so that others can also learn how to make their own dissolver to save cost, to save money. Now let's go straight into the production. First, we have to know the chemicals you'll be using to produce your own nail dissolver, and I tell you, these are things that you can easily get from a chemical shop where they sell chemicals for production, and you just stroll into the shop and you tell them what you want to buy and they can easily give it to you. You come home. It's a very simple procedure. You don't need to do anything special, just to mix the chemical and you have your nail dissolver. For my own nail dissolver, I like using 50-50 for both chemicals. 50% of acetyl alcohol, 50% of ethanol to make my own blend. And I tell you, it has been working for me. And please, if you have not subscribed, this is a new family and I want you to be part of the growth of this family. Please just smash the subscribe button, hit the like and share this video so others can view it, others can watch and learn how to produce their own nail dissolver. Now let's go into it. This is a measurement cup. It's half a liter, and we'll be measuring 25% of each of these chemicals to get our perfect blend. Now to start with, let's measure 25 mils of our acetone alcohol. Okay, this is 25 ml of acetone alcohol and we'll be adding it into this bowl. Like I said, this is the main ingredient or chemical for this production. The next we'll be looking at is adding our ethanol, also 25. Like I said before, now it will give you a good production. Now you add it to your acetone alcohol. This is just the procedure. This is the process. And right away, you have to close it because it can evaporate. Right away, we will be testing our product so you will see how it works. But bear in mind that this is my own formula for having a great result of nail dissolver. Let's go ahead and test it and see if it's giving us a great result.